because of the powder coating, the accelerator won't fit on here, so I'm just going to give it a light sanding. See if that makes any difference. There we go. That's good. Right, so first of all, I'm going to put my washer on. Then this on, and then I need a E-clip in there. Should be this size, I think. That's the right size. Let's just help it in with a bit of a tap. There we go. And that shouldn't be able to come up now. And this goes to clip here, so we pull it up, thread it through the hole, clip it back down. And then we've got our spring here as well, which goes through this hole and through the hole over here. There we go, nice positive accelerator. Have our new air filter, goes whole end up, and our box. There we go. Now we need the clips to go around the side. These are tricky little things to feed in. So there, they're there. Like it sits a bit high, doesn't it? There we go, nice and firm on there as well. It just needs turning a little bit so it faces the right way. And we can have that pipe going on from the carburetor to the airbox. I mean, better to put this in here first. Go. And then our breather pipe. there's that. So we're putting on our, oh that's way too big. Putting on our engine mount, which will probably come off while we're actually installing it, but we'll put it on for now. I've got some new nuts for this. That's woken up again. Just needs a little bit of help. I'll try a different one. It's a little bit better. It's not very happy, is it? Thread looks okay. So there we go. We are built as much as we're going to be built right now. Still got the flywheel and clutch to go on and the exhaust, but fundamentally we've got an engine.